We are here on Captiva Island. Very still waters today. Very still waters. No breeze whatsoever, which is a bummer. Remember to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Thank you, Robert. Let's see if we can find anything in this pile. It's August 1st on Captiva Island. We're at South Seas Resort. This is their beach. There's only one beach at the South Seas Resort. It's like 2.5 miles long. There's shorelines the whole on the entire 2.5 miles. So any spot on the beach, you're gonna find some shells. Just picking up some scallops. I'll do this one last spot and then I think we're gonna go back to their room and have a snack. We've been up since 6 a.m. fishing, walking the beach. Time for a break. Time for a break for sure. I like to relax in the room between 1 and 3, or 12 and 3, just when it's the hottest. Don't wanna get heat exhaustion on vacation. It's important to relax a little bit in the room. All right. Let's see if we see anything on the way back. See all those shell lines. The high tide's coming in. Whole bunch of shells right here, but they're all small. They're all itty bitties. You see something? Robert sees something.
You'll find it.
I see this olive. Did you see this olive?
That is the olive I saw.
First olive of the day. This is not the droid you were looking for. Right. Ooh, there's another olive. Oh my god, I almost skipped this shell pile.
Is that a thingamajigger right there?
Is this a thingamajigger? It is a thingamajigger. Ooh, and another olive.
And there's a thingamajigger there too.
Okay. Ooh, a spiral. Is this
Yeah.
the thingamajigger you were talking about? 2 thingamajiggers.
Jackpot.
Jackpot. Alright, we're gonna stay a couple more minutes. This is a good pile. Let's look through this pile real quick for whatnots and who's-its and... Wait a minute. Who's-its? Is that Winnie the Pooh? I think I got my Disney movies mixed up. Woozles. Woozles and thingamabobs. Now I really am mixing up Winnie the Pooh and Ariel. Oh, it's heat exhaustion. I'm gonna plead heat exhaustion. It is hot here. And stinky. Did I mention stinky? There is dead fish somewhere on this beach, and it is stinking up the entire beach. Someone take care of it already.
Someone take care of it. It's the ocean that takes care of it.
Well, no, I mean, they have these crew that drive up and down putting out the sports toys. If they see a dead fish, I think they should do something about it. Take it away. You know, like in Missouri, where there's a crew that takes away roadkill.
It's a lot different than it
There
is.
should be a crew that takes
Remember in
away.
Oregon?
Oh my God, Oregon was terrible. There was a dead seal on the beach. It was disgusting, and it was there the whole
It made me sad.
4 days we were there. It was very sad.
He was a fine-looking seal.
He was a bloated, rotting
He
corpse
didn't do
of a
anything to
seal.
his body. Like, what could we do? You know what I mean? Dig a hole for him?
All right, let's stop. Stop thinking about that. That was a sad.
I felt bad.
Well, good too. You didn't expect to walk the beach and see a dead sail. It's kind of sad. That. Did I mention how hot it is? So yes, this is Captiva, South Seas Resorts. Ooh, look at that orange one. And it's broken. You know what, I'm going to still keep it because it's beautifully orange. Practically perfect. It's not 100% perfect. Anyway, yes, it's the South Seas, so it's a resort. Got water toys, tons of water toys. Any water toy you'd want to rent, it is here. Not really into that water toys. Robert, you want to rent a jet ski? Not really, me either. Oh, we did. We did in Captiva. We took a seashelling tour. Well, it ended up not being a seashelling tour. It was supposed to be a seashelling tour on a jet ski, but the island that they were supposed to take us to was like this. I don't know what happened. It was off limits. It was covered with birds, and so the city didn't, or someone didn't want anyone on it anymore. So we just did a jet ski and chased dolphins down and took tons of pictures. It was very nice. Went through the mangroves. It was still a great jet ski tour, don't get me wrong. But the original intention was to go to a small island that you can only get to by boat and get tons of shells. That did not happen. But it was fun still too. So yes, when you come to Captiva, you can take, there's all kinds of private tours. You can take fishing tours, shelling tours, hermit crab hole tours. I'm just kidding. Ghost crab hole. Shelling tours. But we're not doing any of that. We're just walking the beach, fishing, and eating lots of food. You see an octopus? What? No, you said something about an octopus. Alright, that's it. We're getting delirious. We don't know what we're saying. Alright, this is Captiva Island, South Seas.